Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and these are the features and sound of EZkeys 2 from Toontrack. Now, EZkeys 2 adds loads of new songwriting features to make life easier, whether you're a key player or not. Here I have a track that started out with no piano, but as soon as I bring in the new songwriting features, I get a whole piano track that's expertly played and recorded. If the composer only knows a few chords, they can record and play MIDI in, just like a conventional VI. But non-players can go so much better by using Bandmate. I'll grab some clean audio from my drive. And all of a sudden I have a complete piano part taken, in this case from my guitar chords. Can fade down the source. And it's also picked up the fact that this is a track with a shuffle feel as well, so there's a bit of swing dialed in. And I can also change the register that they play in. Make it busier. Maybe try out some different playing styles. If I'm starting from scratch with no ideas whatsoever, I can use lots of the included grooves that come with EZkeys 2. If I want to drag it onto the song track. I can compose in EZkeys 2 itself using the new grid editor and song track. I can even switch it up a bit. Or just completely randomize things. I also have the new songwriting scales window as well, so I can go for different moods based upon scale. So loads of different moods and musical vocabulary there, even for non-players. And EZkeys 2 has a new core library based around its new grand piano recording with lots of different presets available as well. Just got some easy controls across the top. But for now, using the MIDI that I got directly out of Bandmate, this production has a professional sounding part, courtesy of EZkeys 2 from Toontrack. To find out more about EZkeys 2 and to read our full review to find out what we think, head over to the Production Expert blog.